Did you know that real carnivorous plants exist? In the islands of Indonesia, a strange species grows, Nepenthes villosa or Nepenthes raja. It's not just a plant, it's a deadly trap. It forms a deep pit that swallows birds, insects, and even rodents. Its beauty hides a lethal poison. Once prey falls inside, powerful enzymes begin a slow digestion process. Think about it, a plant that looks like it came out of a horror movie, but it's completely real. Follow us for more amazing facts and stories. Don't forget to share this reel with your friends.